Hello guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of messages not sending on Snapchat. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of messages not sending on Snapchat, you should just go to settings. In the first, you can go to the window of apps and you can search about the application of Snapchat. You will enter here. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that, you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.